So this is Carnival Mardi Gras cabin 11411, and it's a standard balcony cabin, but it's got a little unique issue on the balcony because there's a kick out on the left. But as you can see, this is a cabin where the bed is closer to the shower and the couch is by the balcony. Some of these cabins, they have that reversed, so it just kind of depends on what you like better. If you want to wake up looking at the balcony, or if you want to be able to sit on your couch and look at the balcony. I think they're both just fine. The bed's pretty comfortable, but it's brand new. It may get better or worse depending on your taste as it ages. So the bathroom has, it's a little tight on the toilet there width-wise. Um, but otherwise, everything's just fine. The toilet paper is a little difficult to reach, but I love the new shower doors. You don't have to fight with a shower curtain. Um, that works out really nice. I'm 6'2", and I don't really have any problems in the shower. If you get too much taller than me, you might struggle with the height of the shower. Now it's got the standard key card thing that they all seem to have now. Just bring a loyalty card or something and slide in there, then you won't have to worry about your key card. And then the thermostat has a little button on the bottom that you can push for like a boost of cold air. The closets are pretty much the same. I do like these little slide outs that you'll see right here. It's got the safe, and then at the bottom, the slide out is a shoe rack. So that's kind of nice. But there's plenty of room in the closets. So the desk slash vanity area is kind of nice. It's a clean layout. I think this mini fridge is pretty nice, but I'm not sure that it actually gets cold enough to keep food in. I really love the colors in here. The balcony's nice, but as you can see, as we come out on the balcony here, just off to the left there, thought that the wall would give some privacy, but as it turns out, the kick out, the people above, certainly next to and even below, could possibly see into your balcony area, which isn't the end of the world, but if you're trying to feel like you're all alone on the cruise ship, this balcony's probably not the one for you.